How to loop through arrays in JavaScript. Imagine you have a list of your favorite fruits and you want to check each one. How do you go through every item in that list? That's where looping through arrays in JavaScript comes into play. It's a key skill for handling data in web development. There are many ways to do this, and each has its own strengths. Let's walk through the most common methods so you can pick the right one for your project. First, the classic way is the for loop. You start by setting an initial number, called an index, usually 0. Then you tell the loop to keep going as long as that number is less than the total number of items in the array. Each time the loop runs, you increase that number by 1. This method gives you full control over the process. For example, you can skip certain items or stop early if needed. It looks like this. For let I is equal to 0, I array length. I++, console log array I. It's simple, reliable, and works everywhere JavaScript runs. Next, there is the for in loop. This one goes through the keys or indexes of an array. You can think of it as asking, what are all the positions in this list? It's useful for objects, but it's less common for arrays because it might include extra properties you don't want. An example is for let I in array, console log array I. But remember, it's better suited for objects than for arrays. Then the for of loop arrived with ECMAScript 6. It makes looping much easier by giving you the actual value of each item directly. Instead of dealing with indexes, you just get the element itself. For example, for let element of array, console log element. It's clean, easy to read, and perfect for most array tasks. Another popular method is the for each function. This is a built-in array method that runs a function for each element in order. You give it a function that takes the current item as an argument. It looks like this: array for each function element, console log element, or with newer syntax, array for each element is equal to console log element. It's great for quick, straightforward tasks like printing or updating data, but you can't break out of it early if needed. Finally, there are higher-order functions like map, filter, and reduce. These are more advanced but very powerful. They let you transform, select, or combine array data in a clear way. For example, map creates a new array by applying a function to each item. Const doubled is equal to array. Map x is equal to *2. These methods are perfect when you want to process data in a more functional style. Knowing how to loop through arrays is essential for working with data structures and control flow in JavaScript. Whether you need precise control with a for loop, simplicity with for, of, or functional methods like map, each approach has its place. Practice these techniques, and you'll be able to handle any array in your web projects with confidence.